Hi and welcome to the unboxing. We got 40 boxes here. It gives a random item to us and let's see what can we get. So let's open the first one. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Yeah. Yeah. Damn it. Good enough. Chemistry kit. I'm getting all of the kits. Girl. Well, that's useless. Who sends cloth in a mailbox? Holiday vehicle. But pickles would probably break vodka. What illegal? That's illegal. I can't speak. But I'm getting a bunch of shady stuff. Like condensed milk. I mean, I don't know how it even fits in there, but whatever. Yeah, these mails really do suck. I mean, literally. Chemistry do little good. Good. More condensed milk. Who sends this stuff? Red wine. Again, illegal. More chem is soon not. Yay, something useful. After 39 boxes, we got something useful. That's a great sign. And we lost one more pickles. I'm gonna pick on this game for that. Alright, whatever, thanks for watching this. The most shortest video ever done in YouTube. But whatever. Yeah. Bye. How to get disease when you find blood in my room? Can you ban him? Please, my little angry. Chemistry of Okay, whatever. Bye.